Do you guys want to change your photo background just like I did in the wallpaper that you see at my back? Do you want to do that? So I'm bringing you this video for you, okay? Especially for you. Yo, this is Shady, back again with another video, and I'm gonna give you some tricks, just like the bird out here. I'm gonna give you some tricks about how to change your background just from your mobile phone within 2 minutes and make it look like a professional one, okay? So before you head out with the video, don't forget to subscribe. So firstly open your Chrome browser and on this search bar type background changer and search it, and go to that second option, click there, let it get loaded, and after it gets loaded you need to click on upload image. Okay, just click on upload image and select the picture that you want to erase your background. Okay, so let me find mine. So you simply need to select the picture. I'm selecting this. So after you select, it will automatically get, your wallpaper will get like your background will get removed and you can add a new one. It will automatically removes your background, and after it removes, just click on edit and let it get loaded. So here you will find many background. Okay, you simply need to select the best one you want to keep. You can blur the background, you can blur the background, you can keep how much you want to blur from there. Okay, so intensity of blurring is there, and you can see their options. There are many options. You can change your background to anyone. Okay, so you can also keep your background as a color. Can you see here? But let me select this one, it looks nice. So let me select this one and let me blur it a little bit just by clicking there only, and when you save it, just click there, down arrow out there, and it will come like this, and you need to click on download image to save it. So it has downloaded. Now let me open it. See, my picture is now. The second way is that you should open your Play Store and you need to search a application, and from that app it will be much easier. Now you can simply open your Play Store and type remove.pg and search it. You will get this application, so install it. So after it get installed, you need to open it. Okay, just open it and simply this interface will come easily. So click on upload, click on allow, and select your picture from the gallery. Okay, any pictures. Let me select another one. Okay, so I'm selecting this. It will automatically remove your background just like it did earlier, and you can add a new background. So click on edit, and now here you can see the background that I added earlier into that another picture. Now I can also do the same with this picture or any picture that I have. You can also try with yours. So after you finish watching this, directly try it, because it will be useless if you don't try it, right? So with experience you will learn more. So I'm selecting any background. See here, I can change any background. Okay, I can change any background. See here, it's changing into blue. It will change slowly because it requires internet connection. So don't forget to turn on your data. Okay, net connection चाहिन्छ. So now you can let me save this picture. Okay, I want to keep here a watercolor, purple. Let me try this one, purple. Is it purple? Okay, let me try this one. You can save it like this by clicking on download, and you can open it with your gallery, and you can upload this picture or do whatever you want. So that's it.